Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys have a fabulous week and ready for a cracking weekend. So today, this is the freebie. It's kind of been designed to be portrait, but you won't see its entirety if I put it like this, because the camera is quite low down on my desk, so you will probably see part of it. So I'll put it this way, but it's basically a tropical image. There are some animals, there are some flowers, there are some leaves, a little houses. So this page here is being designed from my July VIP papers, and I'm going to show you the papers in just a minute. And yeah, I just wanted to give you this page here because this part of the kit is called Tropical Vibes. Okay, because we need some happy vibes, and I'm hoping that this freebie bring you happiness. Right, let me show you the July VIP papers straight away, and then we come back on the desk. My VIP lounge papers for the month of July. If it's the first time that you're watching, hello and welcome. My VIP lounge is basically a monthly membership, and I offer on my website. So 3 papers, you can get up to 3 packs. So the first pack is called Tropical Vibes, and I'll let you guess why. I don't know about you guys, wherever you're watching it in the world, but here in UK, we not had summer this year. I think summer is skipped. We had just a few random days of warmth and sunshine, but not much. So I'm a bit depressed. So I decided to create something floral tropical, just to give some positive and floral and warmth vibes. So this kit has got 5 pages. This kit in my head is the best for card making, because I can see, in fact, we'll probably do some card making together. I can see this page here being fabulous as a card background. Got another page is called Tropical Vibes, of course. You got this page here, which I have used to create the letter C, which I'll show you in a minute. Page number 4, Be More Rainbow. I love this page. And this is page number 5, which is, again, as you can see, the color palette is the same. There are, of course, multicolored, but mostly is black, green, different shades of green. Okay, so this is kit number 1, Tropical Vibes. Kit number 2 is called Ephemera from the Past. This is for the vintage lovers on part of the membership. So all my VIP members, they love vintage. I tend to create 1 pack for them every month, because I know vintage is not for everybody, but you know, these 3 kits, as you can see, they're very, very different. So anyway, so kit number 2 is called Ephemera from the Past. So you get full background, which is basically a collage or different ephemera. You get a page with, of course, ephemera. So you got a couple of postcards when I just play with some flowers, couple of plain elements that you guys can design and do what you want with it, and another postcard again. This is probably my favorite page, is page number 3, when you got the embellishment. So you get 6 butterflies shapes that you can either layer up, and then you got 2 ovals and 2 rectangulars with a little ephemera there. So you can use this to, again, do embellishments or anything that you guys want. Page number 4, again, some more ephemera. And page number 5, which we do a project together soon, is just a page with tags. Okay, so I just put together 7 tags. 5 of those are quite, I would say small, because like a medium size, and 2 of those are large. Okay, so just give it a bit of variety. Page if I can speak, kit number 3 is called Circus Fun. Ta-da! So this is a requested kit from the lovely Susie. Susie is part of my VIP membership. So she's asked for a kit that is all about circus. So there you go. I made it for you, Susie. Big hugs and thank you, Susie. So it's quite a big kit. It's got loads of pages. So you've got 1 page with tickets and some ephemera. One page with a tent. Page number 3, I just played with different colors. So you got the boat player and the clown. Got another one, landscape. Love them. This is my favorite page of the kit, which we'll do a video together. So you create some embellishments. So they are doilies in all different colors. All the colors matches, and I'll show you in just a minute. Then you get another page. Yeah, this, I've been very generous with my VIP members this month because all the kits are quite big. It's normally a 4 pages kit, but this, especially this one, is very large. I just put a couple of background with the artist and the clown, and then you've got another page with the tickets, and then another page with the postcards. Okay, so again, you can do anything that you want with this. So I love it, absolutely love it. I love the little elephant. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it's quite a large kit, so it's 8 pages. To be fair, you pay £5 up to £5 a month. I would normally charge that for a larger kit. So you get 3 kits, as we say. Oh yeah, color combination. Sorry, I was just I was rumbling. So as you can see, the color palette is multicolored, but it's mainly this yellow, green, and blue. See, when I designed my VIP paper packs, I want everything to blend, everything to be mixed and match, so you guys can use it all together for larger projects. Okay, so anyway, so paper pack number 1, circus fun. Number 2, ephemera from the past. Number 3, tropical vibes. And then every month, we started 2 months ago with the letter A. So we made together a letter A gift box, or you can either use it as a standalone letter. Last month was the letter B, and that was the project. And this month it's the letter C, and I have used the tropical vibes to create the letter C. So what you get the paper. So of course I suggest you guys print this on cardstock, as I did. See, the letter is quite sturdy. It's cardstock. I think it's 160 GSM. So you got all your elements that you just simply cut, and there is a video tutorial that I will send a link to you guys that I'll show you how to put this together. Okay, so it's part of the membership. You get a video that show you step by step how to put this together. So you get the front and the back, and then as an additional extra gift, as I said, this month I've been extremely generous. I'm joking. I'm giving you this is actually like that. I'm giving you a pillow box. When it's doing up, it looks like this. Okay, so it's very thick, and it's just very, very easy to make. You simply cut that. This is the 2 tabs, and that's the side. And I think it's super cute. Look, it's a lot of flowers, and it's fun. And it's the little gift boxes. If you're not, you put chocolate or cash or little treat or crafty treat or ephemera, anything that you want to give to somebody. And I think it's super cute. Okay, and then of course with the letter C, you get the instruction on how to assemble it. So basically these tabs here go there, this tab is on the side, these 3 are this one, and those 2 ones wrap around inside. And of course you get the letter C back, the reverse of it. So you get the front letter C and the back letter C, which is a mirrored image. But again, everything is explained in the video. Okay guys, so you saw the digital papers that you get in July. So don't forget, if you wish to join the VIP lounge, just I'll show you on the website where to find it. Okay guys, so this is my website. So when you look at AntonioMakes.com, so this is the homepage. If you click on VIP lounge, there you go, you got my membership plan. So you have a gold butterfly, which you pay £5 a month. And then you have a yearly one, so you got the VIP lounge yearly membership. Okay, so if you click on here, you have 30% discount across all digital papers on the website, 3 mini, at least 4 pages each. a monthly offer or a gift, A5 size of 5 art print delivered to your home address, and a special video with project and tutorial. So you get all of this when you subscribe for the Gold Butterfly on a £5 monthly plan. If you click on the yearly subscription, click on details, you got exactly the same treats that you have with the monthly one, but you basically pay once upfront. Okay. As usual, guys, 2 ways to get this. If you subscribe to my newsletter, and I will put here on the screen on the left hand side what the newsletter looks like. It's 1 email a week, sometimes twice a week. There is a recap of the week, there are some videos, there are some papers, showcase. There is always a cheeky discount code. And I just want to say thank you to Margie that she sent me, and I put Margie's comment on the screen. A lovely comment said how much she likes receiving the newsletter, and to be fair, I do like writing the emails for you guys too, so it's both ways. And also I would just want to say thank you to Sharla. Sharla is a member of my VIP lounge. She's been with me for a very long time, so thank you, Sharla. I put Sharla's comment on the screen. For your loyalty and your love and support, it means the world to me. And also these are on my Facebook group, which I'll show you in just a second where to find it. Okay guys, so this is my Facebook group, Antonio Makes. This is the banner of the group, so you make sure it's me. So on my Facebook group, you see the freebie I shared, and also all other talented crafters that showcase their work using my papers, but not necessarily. They use their own papers as well. Lovely messages, project shares, my videos, etc, etc. So as you can see, it's a very interactive platform. You can either click on recent media and then you will see everything that is being shared. To find my freebie, if you click on files, you see here, this is the recent one, which is the 5th of July, but you will see everything I have shared on here. Okay, so this is all the freebies, literally going back to the Christmas ones, etc, etc, etc. So please go help yourself. What you do, so this is the name of the freebie. If you click on the 3 dots, you click on download, and the PDF will be downloaded into your computer or iPad, whatever you're using. Okay, have fun and happy crafting. Okay guys, so 2 ways to get it. I suggest and recommend join my newsletter, because you know in that way you don't have to do anything. You just get an email every Friday straight to your email box, and job done. I'm going to go, guys. Very short video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.